In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a brilliant light effect in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. Now, go to the Effects tab and select Video Effects. Scroll through the category and select Celebrate category. Here, select your preferred brilliant light effect and tap the Add button to apply it to the track. Drag the effect layer to cover the portion of the video you want to enhance. With the effect layer selected, go to the toolbar to fine-tune the effect, speed, control the animation pace, atmosphere, adjust the intensity of the light effect. Once you're done, preview the video to see how the brilliant light enhances your scene. Once satisfied, tap the export button to save your final video. And that's it! You've successfully created a stunning brilliant light effect in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!